Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. It is Wednesday, the 16th. Shelly's inside, just doing something, I'm not sure. I decided I needed to finish my one project up that didn't work last time. And what I mean by that is the windshield cover. Everything went well with the windshield cover, except for I did not use glue. Because the adhesive on the Velcro isn't going to stick. So the person I got the idea from used glue. I had no problem. I didn't use glue because I wanted to resell my RV, and he might not want that on there. I didn't want to mess up my windshield. But today I'm going to glue the Velcro strips on, and what I'm going to do is Velcro the strips on and 8 to 12 inches in length. So if it does pull off, it's not going to pull the rest of the Velcro off. If it does fly off, flip around and flies off, it's not going to rip the whole strip of the Velcro. It's only going to be increments of 8 to 12, just around. I'm going to do it nice enough where you can't really see the seams, but we'll see what happens. And this is the windshield cover that I made out of that mat that you get for yoga, or you buy to lay out for weights and stuff. I got that, and I got a trim, glue, and I got Velcro. Right now it's been sitting like this for a while, so I need to like get that crease out. So it's not gonna be bad because it's an oval, like a slanted sheet. It's not gonna be bad, but there it goes. So hopefully, see how thick it is? Hopefully it protects it from, if a big rock hits it, it's gone anyway, but normally this is going to protect it from, I think, the small stuff that would just crack it or break it, and then you have a cracked windshield, and I have a protection for it. And hopefully it protects it from something bigger, who knows. This is the glue I got, and I used this glue on the themes of the cover with E6000 clear transparent glue. And this is the Velcro I got, 20 foot times 1 inch. So it's 1 inch. So that's the. I got the good Velcro brand. I didn't want to get anything too cheap when it comes to this because this is safety. So with the glue and the Velcro, I should be good. The side that's on the shield is the loop, and these are the hooks. So this is what I need. I want to make sure. Yep, perfect size right there. I'm gonna cut right now. I'm gonna cut like 10 strips like this. Any scissors? Do I have? I do have scissors. So I got one. That's a nice small one right there. Right now I gotta clean off the windshield. Glue. I'm just going to put one, maybe 2 slivers of lines of glue on there, so when I put it on, it doesn't smear all the way out. gonna put a little piece right here in the middle. Then again, I might not, because I think the water can drain out of there. So I might leave that one go. I'm not sure. But what I'm gonna do is just leave it go for now. I'm just gonna keep pressing these pieces in right here to make sure they adhere until it can dry a little bit. And then tomorrow when I come back, I'm going to clean the windshield up here with all the glue residue. Make sure that comes off and it looks nice, because I don't want to do the whole window and it looks ugly. So I'm going to make sure it looks good, because I don't want this. I'm going to make sure this comes off. If not, I'm going to use a regular cloth. It will come off if I get a little scrubby brush, but I gotta make sure it dries first. And that's what I want to do. I want to make sure you don't see the Velcro from a distance. So I'm going to be back tomorrow to check it out, clean it up, and if I like it, I'm going to continue on to do the rest of the window, and then I'm going to let it cure for about 72 hours, and then I'm going to stick my cover on. And I already know how the cover looks on it. It looks really good. It actually matches the bottom portion of that front of the trailer, because it got that diamond plated kind of look, black diamond plated. So all right, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
Say hi.
Hi.
Yep. Do you have the remote?
Yeah.
You can't really see it. That's good. Well, especially when I clean up all that paper towel debris on there. Well, I'm gonna let it sit for 24 hours, 48 hours, 76 hours until it cures, and to make sure it's sticking. I left this one open a little bit, so if water comes down, it can seep through, and the same in the corners here. Same in the corners right here. And there's some space there where it can, like if the wind gets in there too, They can just blow right through onto the other side. That's what I'm thinking. Here goes my window I just installed. Nice. So far, it's been raining last couple of days and no problems. Everything's nice and dry. And I had my slide out. Remember, it's only when your slide is out it's going to be exposed to the weather. So right now my slide is out. Look who's here. My baby.
2 hours later.
Alright, it is at night now. I wanted to get this video done. It's 10:30, but I wanted to get the video done. I needed this end part to finish it, so I'm going to do that right now. So what I'm going to do is, got the windshield cover here, and I'm going to put it on to see how it looks, take some pictures, and end this video and give you my conclusion. So come along. Alright, there it goes. Looks nice. As long as it holds. And I think it will with the glue. As you can see, when I measured it exactly. So that the size of the shield is the size of, man, I got long fingernails. The size of the windshield cover is the size of the windshield exactly. And it's just covering the glass. So no overhang or nothing. Looks nice. You have to say I did a good job on it. I'm proud of this one. And then that design, diamond plate, looks like the diamond plate down here. So you got diamond plate up here, diamond plate down there. So it looks very nice. So when I'm traveling down the road, I should be pretty good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it on, and I'm going to, hopefully it rains the next couple of days. I'm going to see how water gets in there, and hopefully it comes out and drips out. Hopefully. So that's my baby there. Let me get a nice view right here. Gotta put my stuff away before it blows away. And there goes my new windows with the lights on. I did order some curtains, cheap curtains from Timo. I didn't want to spend too much money. And that's my window. That is so nice. And then the other one. Make sure you check out the that's the one. Oops, almost fell. That's the window from the other side. Somebody's looking in. They can see everything. So, but with the I'll make it short when I get my curtains. When I order stuff from Timo, it takes 2 to 3 weeks. So Hopefully it comes within 10 days. Sometimes it comes sooner. So that's it, guys. Tell me what you think. Alright, that is the project. I am finally done, completed all the way. So next time I go through it, an actual camping trip, I can leave it on and see how it does. I can do a nice field test for you guys. So, so I'm gonna go ahead, clean my mess up, take some pictures for the video to get the flash in here so you guys can actually see how it looks with some bright light on it. So that's all I have. If you have any questions, comment down below. That's a go for me. I like that. So without further ado, I'll see you guys on the other side.